the New York premiere for Wicked for Good. We've been invited by Universal Pictures to the special celebration of the sequel of the hit movie Wicked.
We got our one.
But tonight we're special guests. We're at the Lincoln Center hanging out outside the theater before the movie begins. And there are costumes from the movie on display and lots of fans taking pictures and hanging out. Definitely lots of people dressed up in pink and green tonight. And dressed up as other characters as well. We've even spotted a few celebrities in the crowd. We got our witch hats, we got our wands, and we're ready to party. We're gonna take a look around, so come on, join us. Right now, and the movie's about to start in like a couple minutes, so let's get ready.
All right, guys, we just got out of seeing Wicked for Good here at the Lincoln Center. What did everybody think?
Oh my gosh, it was so good!
It was so good. It was Wicked for Good. Yes, absolutely. Autumn, what did you think?
It was good.
Yeah, it did not disappoint. And I was crying so much in that song in the end. And these two have never seen the musical before, so he's sitting next to them when they were realizing all the, I don't want to spoil anything, but how everything
built together in the end.
Yep, and it was really cool.
I really liked how we all know that this is tied in with Wizard of Oz and how just little bits of Wizard of Oz was actually interwoven throughout the whole story. So you actually kind of still got that element of Wizard of Oz, but really that was just such a part of it, a little minimal part of it.
I mean, you never even see Dorothy's face.
You never even see Dorothy's face.
It's
Absolutely.
really funny.
Some really great camera angles, and just the singing was phenomenal.
And then seeing it with this audience, there was so much cheering, so many people like gasping.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
What a wonderful night here at the Lincoln Center. Thanks to Universal Pictures for inviting us out. We had such a great time. It was a really fun opportunity we will never forget.
Don't forget to see the movie in theaters on November 21st.
On the scene from the Lincoln Center here in New York City for the New York premiere of Wicked for Good. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.